afternoon. Good afternoon, one and all. Good afternoon, Laxman. Good afternoon, Daniel. Good afternoon, Treasure. Good afternoon, Menza. Good afternoon, Christine, Peter. Hilda Brande. Good afternoon, one and all. Okay. Oh, yes, Aksmit. Today is my class, was not yesterday. Good afternoon, Francis. Good afternoon, Damu. Good afternoon, lovers. I was not sure. I will check and update you, Daniel. Okay. Before we get into the class, can anyone quickly review that, what we did with the last class? Can we quickly make with the topics? Percentage, okay. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Oh, yes, you can put it in the chat, Maiga.
Afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Maiga.
Yeah, sir, it's about one exercise. So in this exercise, it said Gopal bought a cell phone and sold it to Ram at 10% profit.
Can you repeat?
It said Gopal bought a cell phone
Okay.
and sold to Ram at 10% profit.
Okay.
Then Ram want to sell it back to Gopal at 10% loss.
Okay. Is that the same item?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the same item?
Yeah.
Then it is going to be L plus W plus LB by 100. We can use that.
Yeah, but when I use that, it gave me a 1% loss.
It gave you 1% loss.
Yeah,
correct only.
Mm?
Yes, it's correct only.
Yeah, but in the exercise, it says it is a 1% gain.
Okay, 1% gain.
Yeah, 1% gain. So I didn't get it.
Okay. Just a minute.
Okay.
Fine. So do you have the questions? Can you type it if it is possible for you? Can you type it?
Can you repeat, sir?
Can you type it if you have the question with you?
Okay, okay. I'll take a picture.
Any other questions if anybody have doubts? It's okay, Vivian. With your doubts, if you have any doubts of the previous classes, you're discovering about it. Yes, for sure, Peter. Fine, Margaret. Can you tell me the question number? Yes, I received the picture of yours. I'm just sharing the screen with your question. Okay. Yes, Axmith. I'm just giving you access. Just a minute. Yes, Axmith, you can unmute yourself now.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
So, and still we have 1 month, but I don't know when we are getting in the exam at China University.
Okay. Okay. You'll be addressed on that very soon. Nothing to worry about it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You'll be having a meeting in your upcoming classes. Yes.
So I'm very interested to come one day in China University. So I'm so very happy to come here.
Got it. Fine. See, I'm giving you a mail address. If any of your queries, you can just drop it there. Okay, they will reply you, and nothing to worry about your exams. You will get a quick notification. Okay, Axmed. Okay, fine. Okay, now let's come back. So the question of Gopal was asked by whom? I just missed your name. I'm sorry. Maiga. Yes, Maiga. See, the answer is loss 1% only. Nothing to worry about it. It's loss 1%. Okay. It's not a link, it's a mail address. Got it? It's not a link, it's a mail address. If you have any queries, you can always drop there. Fine. So let's get into the topic. Are you all fine? Should we start? No, step up mail address. Here's our company's mail address. If you can drop it, if there is anything, we will revert back to you. Yes, it's for the consultation purpose. Okay, and Maiga, is your doubt is now clear? Are you okay now? Yeah, that's done. Okay, I'm giving you for today. It's fine now. I hope all your doubts are cleared. Here comes your questions one by one. I'm giving you. I would really like to give you many questions, but yes, still you have to cover some topics also. So simultaneously, I'll give you with that. Okay? Are you all okay with that? Yes. Yeah, fine. So now a quick question for you to know is cost price is always how many percentage? Cost price is always how many percentage? Cost price is always how many percentage? 100, yes. That's good. Selling price is always how many percentage? Selling price is always how many percentage? Selling price. So cost price is always equals to 100 percentage. No changes. It's always a fixed answer. Selling price is always how many percentage? Either it will be more than 100 or less than 100. Okay, of percentage. Got it right? Did you get that? Are you getting it? Okay. Now you have another term called as marked price or list price. What are these called as? The mark price and the list price. What are they called as? You have cost price, you have selling price. Then what is this? Cost price and selling price. See, I'm not teaching you any formulas. It's just zero formulas, nothing to do with formulas. I'm just teaching you how to understand the question. If you do that with the percentage basis, profit and loss, I can finish you the concept within 2 to 3 minutes. You need not to worry about the formulas in profit and loss. It's not needed. If you understand really the concept. Got it, right? So if you know the concept, there is no need for the formulas. I'm teaching you profit and loss without formulas. I don't know how many formulas you would have used in your schools, but here what you're going to do is without formulas. It's just only purely the concept. Understand the concept, you make your own formulas. There's nothing to do with formulas. Okay. Now, what is this MP, marked price? When I say marked price and list price, what is the usual difference in it? Let's say I'm buying a computer. Okay, my keyboard is attached with that. I have a mouse. Okay, so my CPU is connected with the CPU. Let's say that connected with the CPU. Okay, oh fine, I'm just okay. And the keyboard is again connected over here, and then I have a speaker. Okay, now if I ask what's the cost of the speaker, it could be $10 or $15 or whatever. A monitor, cost of the monitor could be $20. Okay, keyboard will be $5. So mouse again with $3, and CPU would be $100. This is the price of them. So when I take them together, 100, 120, 20, 30, 35, 38, $138. Let it be an approximate. The computer costs $138, including everything. Okay, I'm just taking this as 10, just for a namesake. Okay, if I talk about what is the cost of the computer, it's $138. This is called as the mark price. The list price is, I have the price of each and individual thing, what I do purchase, and then I have even the total given. The cost of the monitor, the cost of the mouse, the cost of the keyboard, the cost of the CPU, the cost of the speaker, everything I have, and also the total. We can call it as subtotal and the total. So then these things are called as the list price. Okay, are you clear with both the statements? What is called as a mark price and what is called as a list price? Are you clear with that? Good. Now, a quick question for you is, when a person is selling his items, when a person is selling his items and he labels it, that is what we call it as either the list price or the mark price. He has labeled by saying that this costs, the entire box costs you $138. Okay, mark price, total price, list price, all the individual price and the total price. Did you get it, Vivian? Mark price, only the total price, list price, including the total price and also the individual price. Are you getting it? Did you get that, Vivian? Vivian, are you clear with that? Not least price, list price, L-I-S-T, list. This is marked, M-A-R-K-E-D, marked. List prices, see, this is only for you to understand the term, but in your question paper, you get rarely to explain about or understand the topic and do it related to mark price and list price, or they are going to act as the same. Mark price and list price will act as the same. In your question papers, you don't have any much difference between them. This is for you to understand the term how to approach the question. Are you getting it? Yes, list price and marked price. Hulas, no formulas. I don't engage with formulas. Mark price is only with the total price, and list price can also contain with the other items with the price of the individual item and the total price. Clear with that? Shall we go on with the next? Don't spend time with the small things a lot. We need to get into the concept. Okay, so list price is this, individual items and total. And mark price is this, only about the total. That's it. Do not get confused a lot. Don't overthink what happens for this item, what happens for that item. It doesn't work like that. Okay, just for you to understand the term. Don't take it complicated. Okay, now an item is sold for 138 rupees and it is given with a sticker on the product. Now this is what we call it as the mark price and the list price. Now can you say by looking at the sticker, is that the person is meeting with a profit or loss? By looking at the sticker, can you say that is that the person is making profit or loss? Neither profit nor loss. Okay. Okay. Let's say that yeah, so an item price is given with the box saying that it is $138. Can you say is it a profit or loss? On a box, there is a label saying that the price of the product is $138. By looking at the sticker on the product, can you say that is it a profit or loss? Yes, I cannot say whether it is a profit or loss. Okay, so this mark price and list price will act as both. Will act as a cost price and also it will act as a selling price. I'll tell you how. So if you are able to understand this, it's not always a selling price. It can act as a cost price or it will act as a selling price. Did you get it? Did you get it? Yes or no? Okay. Let's say the shopkeeper is your friend and he says that he brought some items for sales and it costs $138. Okay, the shopkeeper says, I'm gonna off the chat for a while. Okay, so let's say that the shopkeeper is trying to, he's your friend and he says you that he's selling it for $138 and this item is already he's selling with a profit. Let's say he's making an $8 already a profit. So he's saying that I'm going to make a profit, he's saying to you. Okay, now let's take a next case. The shopkeeper says that I brought it for some higher amount for $150 and it is not sold out easily, so that I'm selling with a loss of $12. Okay, in these both the cases, only if you know that for how much did he purchase. Let's say he purchased for $130 and selling it for $8, or he purchased it for $150 and selling it for $12 loss. That means it costs $138. Only if you know what is the cost price of it, this mark price will act as a selling price. Are you clear with that? Only if you know the cost price of the product, this price what is given will act as a selling price. Are you getting with the statement? Are you getting it? I'm just allowing you chat now. Please don't use it for any other purpose. If you have any doubt, just put it up. Yes, loudness. Any doubts, you can put it now in the chat. Please do avoid your personal chats right now. If you have any doubts, you can make it in the chat. Yes, loudness, you can type your doubts. Okay, I'll give you some other example, no worries. Okay, no worries, I'll give you some more examples. Okay, anybody who wants to get it interacted, only one person allowed to unmute yourself. Any one person can unmute yourself. Let's interact so that the others will also understand. Yes, Maina. Oh, don't mute yourself again. You might not be on it. Only once. If you're on it, keep your mic on. Ensure that there is no background noise. Yes, you can on it. Yes, Maika. Can you try once again? Only Maika. Maika, can you try once again? Maika, can you hear me?
Sir?
Yes.
Yeah, so you said mark price. I don't get it. What she means.
I'm just showing you the slide. Yes. Anyone quickly make it fast. Peter?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you ready, Peter?
Yes, I'm ready, sir.
Okay. Tell me an item which is like computer, something, 2-3 things are combined together, or just an item, and you have a friend of your shopkeeper and he sells something and you know about him. So can you tell me an item which you want to sell it?
A computer, just a computer.
Okay, fine. Let me take the computer. And what is the cost of the computer?
Let's say it's costing about 100 US dollars.
Okay, 100 US dollars. Yes, I'm done with that. Now, let me say Peter is the shopkeeper. So we all know about Peter. Okay, Peter is a very good person. So we all know about him. Peter says that this is the label of the computer, and then this is called as the mark price, which is given in the label. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Then this $100 is 100 percentage, because I don't know what was its cost price. How many dollars did you buy from somebody else? We don't know that. When I don't know for how many dollars did you buy from somebody else, I know only the price which you are going to sell it, or you're going to call this as this is the price of the computer, then I will consider this as 100 percentage that this is the cost price. Did you get it?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Okay, now let's say it is during the Christmas time. So Peter has to purchase something for his family. So now the computer is $100, and he knows that surely the computer is going to get sold out in this particular week because it's a Christmas Eve. So he decides to increase the price because your travel expense is all increasing. So you're fixing now the price as $120. So that means you're trying to make a profit of 20 percentage
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
from this price of marked price. So now what happens? This $120 is my selling price. It is being increased from this price. Are you clear with that? Is already, yes, the mark price is something you're going to give to the customer. It can be the selling price, but I don't know for how much you purchased, so that this remains as a cost price of 100, and now I'm selling it with 20 percentage more, so that becomes $120. So the mark price is acting as a cost price and is making $20 profit out of it, so it is $120. Are you clear with the statement?
Yes.
Okay.
Very clear.
Now, are you getting it, Peter?
Yes, sir. Very clear.
Okay. Now let us go on with the case 2. This is case 1, where I don't know for how many dollars did you purchase. So that is, let's go for case 2. What is case 2? So case 2, what is happening is, I don't want to keep quiet. So Peter doesn't want to keep quiet anymore. He's going to tell the truth. For how many dollars did he purchase? So Peter purchased it from another person for $80, and he brought it to the shop, and he says that he marked it as $100. Now, this marked price, the label on the computer, is going to act as cost price or selling price.
Selling price, sir.
Selling price, that's good. Yes, because I know what's the cost price. He purchased it for $80. That's going to be my cost price now, 100 percentage. And I know that he is selling it for $100. That means 25 percentage profit. He's making 25 percentage profit, and he fixed it at $100. Now the cost, this is going to be selling price. And this $80 is 100 percentage, and this $100 is with a profit of 25 percentage. That means this is 125 percentage. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Did you get it?
Absolutely.
Okay. Now I'm giving you the next statement. Okay, I'm giving you the next statement. Peter is making profit from the original price. Peter is making a profit from the original price. Then which one should I take? $80 or $100? From the original price. Peter is making some $30 profit out of original price. Which is the original price? 80, yes. So original price would be 80. So original price would be 80. So that is how many percentage? That is going to be 100 percentage, yes. And from this is going to make 30% profit. That means 130%. Okay, then what is the cost price? Understood this? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us say that. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to give you the clarity on now the mark price. Peter is going to make a profit from the marked price another 10%. Peter is going to make a profit from the marked price 10%. Now tell me this marked price $100 is how many percentage? Peter is going to make a profit out of $100, 10% from the marked price, not from the original price, from the marked price. He's going to make 10% profit. Now this $100 is my cost price or selling price.
Cost price, sir.
Cost price, very good. This is cost price. I don't know about this one. Now, from this price, from the marked price, is making 10% profit. Is making 10% profit from the marked price. Okay, then this $100 equals to 100%. Is making 10% profit out of it. So that is 110%. Is gonna make it. So that's it. Did you get it? $100 is now 100% because he's increasing the price from the marked price, not from the original price. Are you getting it? From the original price, he did not increase the price. From the marked price is going more. That means he's getting more profit. So now the marked price is just going to be considered as 100. Are you getting that? So Peter is getting dual profit. Already 25% profit. Now another 10% profit. So it's almost in the amount wise, and I take 80, 90, 100, 110, $30 profit. Peter is going to get $30 profit. Already he made $20 profit and with the mark price, but he never says for how much did he purchase. Now he's selling for another 10% more. He's making $30 profit. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody have doubt with this alone? Let me know. If you're very clear, you can directly go apply the question by just equating. How do I show the equation method? With that method, we can solve all the questions. Just take a look till here. Any doubts, let me know. I'm going to give you the next concept. Yes, Lewis. Okay, mark the price. The concept is big, but it is up to you to listen clearly. It becomes very simple. Okay, mark the price. You know that the item Peter marks it as $100 and he's selling it. You don't know whether he bought it for a profit or loss, but you know that he fixed it $100. And from that, he's trying to make more profit. So when I don't know what is the original cost, then this market price is acting as a cost price. Got it? Then whatever profit he makes from this as 100%, I'm going to increase the price by having this mark price as my cost price. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with the first case? Case 1 is clear? Are you clear with case 1? Yeah. Now let's go to case 2. You know that he purchased it for $80. You know that he's making 25% profit. That means he got it from a person for $80 and he's selling it for $100. That means $20 more. Okay. In spite of that, that was a good understanding, Vivian. Yes. When you know the original price, then the mark price is the selling price. When you don't know the original price, then that acts as my selling price. Yes. But here, small change, one more small change in your statement. Even though you know what's the original price and he's making a profit out of the marked price, then still this is the cost price. Did you get it? Did you get that? Okay. So even though you know what this is the original price, doesn't matter. So if you say that he's making 10% or 25% profit out of $100, then this is the cost price. Okay with that? Are you all okay with that? Did you get it? Okay. Now on the next one, I'm just giving you in a simple way. Just try to answer either which is acting as what, that is enough. Okay. Original price. I'll write it as OP. So or the cost price at the beginning. Cost price at the beginning was let's say $100. Okay. Now a person he's selling with 20% profit and he's making it as his mark price. A person is selling with 20% profit. He increases price by 20%, and later he gives 5% discount. A person increases 20%, that means this is the cost price he brought it. He's fixing a profit of 20%. That means what is the selling price? The cost price is $100. Now he's fixing 20% profit. Now what is the selling price? This is my cost price. My selling price is going to be $120. Now he is offering a discount of 5%. Now he is offering a discount of 5%. Now he is offering a discount of 5%. What is 5% of $120? 10% is going to be 12 and 5% is 6. Yes. Okay, then minus 6. The marked price is 100 and cost price is 100. Marked price, the selling price is, this is the first marked price. I can call it as, this is my first marked price. Now he's selling it for $114. This is my marked price too. Now, is it overall? Is it a profit or loss? Is it overall a profit or loss? That's it. Okay, I'll just show you in a single statement how to do it. $100 into 20, so that is 120 divided by 100, because it's 20% more. He's selling it for 20% more. So this is my first marked price. So it's 120 into 100 times. He's giving a discount of 5%. Right now it is 95 by 100. Okay, multiply it and check it. Are you getting the same 114? Then that's it. The concept is understood. Got it right? The biggest thing to understand in profit and loss is always the market price and the list price. If you understand this concept, I'm telling you, no formulas, zero formulas has been worked out for the profit and loss. You're done. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Yes, you can. Are you clear till here? Can I give you the question based on the same? I like Christian's involvement nowadays. I can see Christian is involving very good. That's nice. Can I clear it? Can I stop it? Okay. Now I'm going to give you the questions. Okay. Just allow me a minute to share the question paper document. I'm dealing you directly with the market price and list price rather than giving you the concept questions of cost price and selling price, having confidence on you that you would be able to do the difficult ones first. Just giving you some 2 to 3 questions. Do it well. No options. I'm not giving you any options. Just solve it. If you're getting it right, it's all for good. Just all the concept questions. Okay. Ready? Here goes 1, 2, 3. I don't see Lewis question. I don't know. Where do you all notice with Lewis question? I'm checking for that. Oh, yeah, I understand now. Okay, 3 questions. Read it. Take time. Take time. No hurry. Understand it and give me the answer. Okay, get back to the question. Shall we do the first question, or do you want a time to do the rest? Do let me know. Do you want time, or shall we solve it? Okay, shall we do the first one? Shall we do the first one? Yeah. So the mark price of an article is 120 rupees, or you can change it as dollars if you want. Okay, rupees with 20% profit. Now the first question is 120 rupees, the mark price is how many percentage? Is how many percentage? The mark price is 120 rupees as how many percentage? It's with a profit of 20%, not to forget that. It's with the profit of 20%. It's with the profit of 20%. No, my God, no possible. It's 120 rupees is the price, or you make it as dollars, or naira, or dirham. What is it? Okay, 120 is the marked price. How many percentage it is? It is with the profit of 20%. It's with the profit of 20%. It's with the profit of 20%. With the profit means this amount is actually cost price plus profit. This is what is called an amount with profit. So 120 is split as cost price plus profit is equal to 120. Did you get it? That is what is called, it's with the profits. It's now 120%. That's good. Yes. Now let's come. What is the cost price? What do you have to find? How many percentage you have to find? For how many percentage you have to find? For how many percentage you have to find? So I want to find the cost price. That means I want to find for 100%. I want to find the cost price. That means always cost price is 100%. I'm finding for the 100%. That's all. Now tell me, what is the cost price? What is the cost price? Each one and one. So 120 is equal to 120%. Then what equals to 100%? What equals to 100%? 100. Yes, it's 100. That's all. Any doubt with this question? Any doubt with this question? Let me know. We'll solve it. Then we'll go on with the next. Otherwise, I'm not going on with the next ones. So if you're not clear with this, we cannot do the next one. So the first question, if you're clear, let me know. If you have doubts, you can just ask me now. Let's clear it. Then we'll go on with the next question. The first question clear for everyone? Any doubts? Anyone with doubts?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, but you can find it with that calculator, no?
I'm sorry, Maina.
We can find it with that calculator because he said the mark price it's 120 rupees with
Yes.
30% profit.
Yes.
Yeah, that's clear. The cost price will be 100 rupees.
Okay. No doubts in that?
Yeah, no doubt.
Okay, fine. Shall we go on with the next? Shall we go on with the next? Anyone doubt? Okay, I'll use shilling. Okay. So I'll write it as shilling. Okay, I'll use the term shilling, no worries. That's okay. Thank you for your information. Alan is too late. CP means cost price, COST, cost price. Okay, the list price and mark price of an article. The list price and mark price of an article is 120 price. Either it is a list price or you can consider as mark price. Just for your understanding, anything doesn't matter. The article is 20%, 10% with loss. That means 120 shilling. I'll write it as shilling, no worries. Okay, SH, the abbreviated. Okay, now 120 shilling is how many percentage? 120 shilling is how many percentage? Is 90%. That was good. Now I have a next statement given saying that this is 90%. Why it is 90%? Because it is 10% loss. So I'm subtracting with 100 minus 10. Shopkeeper makes 20% profit from the cost price. Shopkeeper makes 20% profit from the cost price, not from the marked price. Did you get it? So how would you find the cost price? If marked price is 120 shillings with 90%, what is the cost price? What is the cost price? Find it out. Cost price is always how many percentage?
100%, sir.
Yes, I want to find the 100% of it. 90% is 120. Then what is 100%? That is what is the question about. Okay, the shopkeeper is making 20% profit from the cost price, not from the market price. So first of all, I want to find what is 100%. So what is 100%? A shelling of 132. Yeah. Oh, let me check. 9243030320
Yeah, 100% will be 133.
133, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you give me the answer in the mixed fraction? Can you give me the answer in the mixed fraction? So when I simplify it, I'm going to write it as 120 times 100 divided by 90. What it is? It's 4 by 3, right? Yes, 133 by 3. So I'll write it as 133 1 by 3. Got it? 133 1 by 3. This is the cost price. Now, how much is he making profit from the cost price? How much is he making profit from the cost price? 20%. So the cost price equals to 133 1 by 3. Okay, 133 1 by 3. Or you can write it 133.33. Doesn't matter. Just for you to understand it. Okay, 133.33 equals to 100. I want to find for 20% profit. That means total how many percentage? If this is 100, for how many should I find? Yes, I need to find it for 120. Okay, this is of X. Okay, now calculate it and tell me what's that 120.
Sir, the selling price will be 159.
0.99. So
Yeah,
it is
96. 0.96.
yes. So if I keep it in mixed fraction, oh yeah, it's very easy. See, don't get it complicated. That's why I said you to keep it in mixed fraction. So 133 into 1 by 3. So it's going to be 399 plus 1. It's 400 by 3, right? So 400 by 3, multiply it into 120 divided by 100 is equals to X. That's it. If I want to simplify it like this, or like directly also I can do it 400 by 3 and 100 by 120. So if I simplify it, I'm going to get it so easily. It's 1, it's 4, 4 into 4, 16, and one more 0 gone. So I get 160. It's so easy. It's either it is 159.99 or I can say it is 160. So the new selling price is 160 shillings. It's so easy. Okay. If you just cross multiply these things, you're going to get 160. That's all. Are you okay with that? Yes, work with fractions. So always you get an accurate answer. $133 1 by 3. So based on the mixed fraction, first you have to multiply this, then you have to add with the remainder. So 133 into 3 is 399 plus 1 is 400. So 400 by 3. Clear with that, Lewis? This was done in your fourth class, I hope. Yes. Fourth or fifth class, we would have done with the mixed fraction. Yes, without a calculator, 100% sure. It's so easy. Okay, it's so easy. Divisibility rule plus fraction will give you the answer. Okay. Shall we go on with the third question? If you're all okay. Shall we go on with the third question? Okay. So I'm clearing everything, just making you a short note. Yeah. So now here it is. Mark price is 120, is for 20% already with profit. So 120 equals to 120%. I want to find the cost price. So it is divided by 100. Okay. I'm finding how many percentage it is just by cross multiplying it. Got it, right? It's done. Or you can just equate it and find it. So you get 100. For this question, it's already 120. It's with the loss of 10%. So this is 90%. But the shopkeeper makes profit 20% from the cost price. That means I have to find what is 100% of this amount of this 120 shillings. So I would get an amount that is 133 1 by 3. Okay, so that is nothing but 400 by 3. Fine. So now this is the cost price. So cost price is always equals to 100%. 400 by 3 equals to 100%, and divided by, or you can keep it as 133.33. It's all left to you. And divided by, I want to find what is 120% out of it, just across multiplying. So I get over here is 160. That's all. Clear with this? Clear with this? Clear with that? Yes or no? Yeah. Now, the third question, I'll give you the hint alone. You find the answer and tell me. Okay. The third question, the hint is, he's making profit out of the mark price. He makes 20% profit from the mark price. This is it. Get the answer, then let's discuss on it. The third question is very clear. He makes profit from the mark price. Anybody still solving? Anybody still solving? Or shall I give you the answer? Berat Roka. Can you hear me? Berat Roka. Berat Roka.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Can you explain me the question? You did it good. You did it good.
Yes,
So you
okay.
can tell me. Yes. You can tell me how did you get it?
So we have the mark price 120 rupees.
Okay.
As for the previous question, we have the loss of 10%.
Okay.
So according to the second phase, the shopkeeper make 20% profit from the MP mark price.
Okay.
So we have to add 20% on the mark price.
Okay. So this 120 is equal to how many percent?
20%.
120 equals to 20%?
We have to add 20% profit on the mark price, right?
Good. So then this 120 is how many percent? You have to add 20% to 120. You're correct.
Yeah.
I'm going to find what is 120 of 120 shillings or rupees. Then this 120 mark price is how many percent?
100%.
Yes, that's it. So 120 mark price is acting as what? Cost price or selling price? The mark price is acting as the cost price or selling price.
Cost price.
Yes. Why it is acting as cost price?
Because it's saying that we have to find the selling price. So that's it. It's cost price.
Okay. We have to find the selling price from which one? From the original value or from the mark price?
From the mark price.
Very good. Because the original price is, we can find the original price, then this data is called irrelevant. I don't want that data at all. Did you get it? Because they're
Yes,
saying
sir.
that, yes. So he says that 20% profit from the marked price, 20% profit from the marked price. So they did not ask from the cost price. That means from this given amount, he is taking up or he is making 20%. From this given amount, he is making 20%. Okay, so this 120 mark price is going to act as the cost price. Okay, the others, are you clear with why is this difference? Are you comparing with the second question and third question? Just take a look, you will understand better. The second question, it was said that find 20% profit from the cost price. Okay, find 20% profit from the cost price. So I found what is from 90s 100%. Then I found out what is 120% out of it. But in this question, the mark price is 120, 10% loss is the same, but the shopkeeper is making 20% profit from the marked price, not from the cost price. So hence, this 10% loss is not needed for us. This 120 is going to act as 100%. It doesn't matter, Vivian. See, it doesn't matter he met with 10% loss or 20% profit with the mark price, doesn't matter. It's not needed because I want to make a profit with the given price, not with what is being to be done. Are you getting it? I want a profit from 120. I don't want a profit from the other things. Are you getting it, Vivian? Are you getting that, Vivian? Yes, 120 is 10% loss, but marked price, yes, so he's making profit. Let's say that this data is not given. Now, how would you solve the question? Tell me, if this data is not given, so how would you solve the question? Mark price of an article is 120, shopkeeper makes 20% on the mark price. So, okay, I'll remove and give you a question. It doesn't matter. It's not that it is given, you have to use it. So this is what in aptitude we call it as irrelevant data. Okay, irrelevant data means it's not needed, but just to confuse you, those things would be given. Did you get it? What is called an irrelevant data? So here what is given is absolutely an irrelevant data. It's not needed. This 10% loss is not at all needed. Your need is which is to be considered as cost price and which is to be considered as selling price. Yes, Vivian, you can.
Sir, I think I'm not getting your explanation. Like the
Okay.
question says, the market price of an article is 120 with 10% loss. Shopkeeper makes % profit from the market price. What is the
Okay,
selling
hold
price?
on. Hold on.
Yes.
Now, mark price is with the profit from which one? He makes 20% profit from which one? He makes 20% profit from which one? He makes 20% profit from which amount? What is the mark price? He makes 20% profit from the mark price. What is the mark price? What is the mark price? He makes 20% profit from the market price. And what is the market price? 120, that's all. It's already given 120 for the mark price. Then it doesn't matter either you get it with a profit or loss. This becomes an irrelevant data. I don't want that data at all. It's not going to help me anyways. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? What is called as irrelevant data? Are you getting it? He's making 20% profit from MP. And we'll give you in a simple way. MP is equals to 120. Mark price equals to 120. He makes profit of 20% from the MP. He wants 20% profit from this price. Either this has been purchased with a profit or loss, whatever it is, I don't worry about it at all. I want a profit of 20% from this amount. That's all. Are you getting it, Vivian?
Sir,
Yes.
why can't we get the original max price first? Because the 120 is the max price with 10-20 max price represent to get the original max price by looking for 100% before we get the selling price.
Well, in this question, are they asking you to find the cost price? Are they asking you to find the cost price?
No, we've not been asked to find the cost price, but
it's not needed.
Okay, sir, we are not looking. We are not looking for the cost price. We are looking for the original mark price before the loss.
Okay, original mark price before the loss. Now,
Yeah.
is that the question is said that? Is the question said that find a 20% profit from the original mark price? Is it given that?
No.
Then I don't want to find that. Are you getting it?
So there is no use of that 10% loss in this question.
Not at all. Not at all. That is what I call it again. Irrelevant data. Irrelevant data means it gives you to confuse alone. That is what is happening in the mark price questions. So here they have asked you to find the question, find the cost price, and then you have to find the selling price. It's given in the second question. Second question is very clear, right? I'm sorry, I'm muting everyone. There's a noise. There's noise. Okay, so in the second question, it's very clearly given the cost price is making profit from the cost price. I don't have the cost price. I have to find the cost price. In this question, they say that he's making profit from the mark price. That means I don't want whether it has been purchased with a profit or loss. I don't want that at all. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Vivian, can unmute yourself now. The other one, somebody was unmuting, but you're noisy. Please do ensure there's no background noise. Yes. Vivian, are you clear now? Annie?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Annie. What was your doubts?
Yeah, so I'm just confused on the 10%. So I thought 120 is equals to 90%.
Okay. Okay, Annie. Let me make it to you very simple. Don't mute yourself. Just stay online. See this. Let's say that it's a pen, very costly pen. Okay, you are the dealer of this pen. So Annie is going to deal this pen. Okay. Done. So there is a label on this pen saying that the cost of this pen is, let's have $200. It's a gold pen. Okay, Annie?
Yes, sir.
So this is going to cost you 200 USD. Now you're selling it to Vivian. So Vivian is going to buy it from Annie, and you're selling for her with 10% profit. That means she is going to pay you how much?
The one at 200, I sell it at 10%.
Profit. Then how much will Vivian have to pay you?
I think she's going to pay it at 210.
220. 10% of 200 is 20. Okay. So Vivian will pay you 220. Clear with that? Okay.
Clear.
Now let's say that I'm going to tell a story that Vivian got it for a loss, or she fixed the price with the loss. She got it for some $300. Vivian got the same pen from Lewis. So let's say Lewis has sold the pen to Annie for $300, and Annie was not able to sell the pen for more than $300. So hence what she does, she changes the bill. It was $300. She makes an additional bill on it, and she changed it to $200, and she's selling it. That means she is with a loss. Am I right? So
Yeah.
it was a $300, but she changed it to $200. That means this is my mark price now. How much did Annie buy it from Lewis? It doesn't matter at all. Now your mark price is 200. You made 20% profit from the sticker. That means you again made a sticker on this by saying that you added 20% to this and you sold it to Vivian. Are you getting it?
Yeah, I'm getting.
Now, let's say that now Annie is deciding to make a profit from what did she buy before? Okay, from this amount, she's trying to make 10% profit and sell it to Vivian. Vivian is ready to buy this also. So now this mark price is not going to count. The original price was $300. What you purchased, you're making a 10% more on that. So now you're selling it to Vivian with $330. When I say that you're making some profit from the market price, that means from the $200, then how much did you buy from Lewis? It's not needed for me.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yes, I'm getting, sir.
Okay, that's great now. Vivian, come online. Are you sure now? Are you getting that with this explanation? It's clear. Okay, that's great. Lewis, Trishil, Amanda, Axmed, Biret already got the answer. That was good. Mainza, Daniel, Etishna, Musabeka, Francis, Flas, Christine, Housin, nice to see you again. Midushin, are you all getting us? Zuban, Papukuma, are you getting it? Are you all getting it? Yes. I'm going to search for a question which is talking about mark price and selling price. Just give me a moment. Wait, I want you to read now better by giving you another question. And what it, okay. Okay. You have a lot of concepts to learn, so don't stick on one and lose the other. Okay. So I'm getting you with mark price question. Okay, ready for the question? I'll put it on the board. Before that, I'll put it on the chat. Try it out, then we'll come. Okay. Read it once, give a better try. Here's your first question. I posted in the chat box. I'm just stopping my screen and making it in my slides. So before that, till then you need not to keep on. You can just look on your chat and start solving. I'll write it down. I'm going to share my screen now. Is that okay? I've given you with the options so that you might get it more clear by understanding what is exactly happening. The mark price of a chair is 120 shillings and the price was 20% above the cost price. That means the mark price is already with a profit. It was sold at a discount of 10% on the mark price. Find the profit percentage. Did you solve it? Mine's got the answer. Vitashana got the answer. Anybody else? That was good. Wow. Anybody still doing? Or shall I do it? Can I take it? Amayamana Shayaka, please do check your calculations. Amayamana Shayaka is saying, can you please unmute yourself? Yes. Can you unmute yourself? Can you unmute yourself if there is no background noise? Don't worry. Don't worry. Just unmute yourself. Shayaka, do unmute yourself so that it will be easy for me to explain you. Okay. Look here, the first one is the mark price. Okay, mark price is 100,000, okay, 1200. is with the profit of 20% already. So mark price is 1200. So he made a profit which is already 20% with that. So it's with a 20% profit already. Okay, now if the mark price is 1200, what is the cost price? What is the cost price? Thousand, yes. Good. Now we know already it is with the 20% profit. Already it is 20% profit. Now he's making 10% discount on the marked price. From the marked price, it is 10% discount. What is 10% of 1200? What is 10% discount of 1200? What is 10% discount of 1200? Only 12%. So let's say, yeah, 120. Should I add 120 or subtract 120? The term is discounts. The term is discounts. So it is minus 120. So the price will be 0.801. So the original cost is 1000. Now the cost is 1080. Is he still making a profit or loss? After giving a discount, is he making still profit or loss? Profit. How much is the profit? 80, yeah, 80 profit. Then that 80 shillings is how many percentage? So 80 by 1000 into 100. I'm sorry, my pen doesn't write well. Okay, 80 by 1000 times 100. 1000 times 100. So how many percentage? It's 8%. Is that right? Equals to 8. Yes, Vivian, you got it. Okay, now let's come for the shortcut. Okay, look here, look for the shortcut. Very easy, very easy. Let's use L plus W plus LW by. That means you got the concept, Francis. No worries. Okay, so L is 20. So first he made a profit. Next he is making a loss. That's minus 10 plus 20 into negative 10 by 100. So 0 and 0, 0 and 0. So 20 minus 10 is 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. 8% is gonna be the overall profit. That's all. Because from the original value, it is 20% profit. So I want to calculate from the original value, is it a profit or loss? So that's the reason is L plus W plus LW by 100 works. Otherwise, it would not work. Did you get it? Since I'm finding from the original value. Okay, so that is why I'm using this. Since it's given what is a profit percentage, that means I need to find the cost price. Then I want to find the discount of this 1200. That also I will find it. Then I can know what is the overall. So yes, using the same method, I can use it over here also. Okay, 80 by 1000. Why do you make it 80 by 1000? If that's your doubt, always, if you want to find the profit or loss amount, always you have to divide it by the cost price into 100. Whenever you have an amount of profit or loss, you want to find it whether it's a profit or loss, you have to find it only using the cost price in the denominator, because that's the base value. Did you get it? Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Here's the next question. I'm just stopping it. Okay, I'll just keep it. Fine. Same thing on the mark price itself will give you. Then I'll tell you selling price, cost price questions will become very, very, very easy. If you do these questions, those questions are nothing. So easy ones to do. Okay, here is your next question. And I would say that all the best. If you get the answer right, concept is done. Or I would say that better luck next time if you don't get the answer. So easy to find. Take some time, read it, understand, get the answer. Did you get the answer? Or can I give you one more minute of time? Did you get the answer? Yes or no? Yes, Francis got it. It's correct. Unknowingly, it's correct again. Amanda Trisha did not. Okay. Next. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Yes, Darshana is correct. Mainza, you're correct. Virat is correct. Yes, Christian, you're correct. Maida is also right. Peter is right. But Peter, option A or B? Damu, yes, you're right. Annie, what happened? I'm waiting for your answer, Annie. Annie, Align. Hossein, Mohammed Hossein. Peter, no, you have to check it. Lewis, yes, right. Annie, Align. Yes, Peter, now you're right. Okay, I'll just show you how it works. Can I show it? Can I show it? Anybody still doing? Look here. Both the questions are same. So the previous question, this one and this one, both are same. The only difference between the question is here the price is given as 1,200 so that I can find the amount and find the percentage or directly do the percentage. Over here, the price is not given. That's all. Got it? See here, the mark price of a chair is this much, 20% profit from the cost price. It has been sold at a discount of 10% on the mark price. Find the profit percentage. Over here, price is not given. He made 20% clear. He offered 10% discount. What's the overall profit or discount? I don't have anything. So I can just directly do it. 20 minus 10, so 10% plus 20 times minus 10, 20 times minus 10 by 100. Okay, clear with that? So that gives me 8% profit. Is that clear? Can I give you another question? Can I give you another question? Yes. Okay, it's the same, almost the same, but read the question now more carefully. I'm expecting you now to solve it faster. Okay, it's about your speed. Now it's fine, you understood the concept. Now try to solve it faster. It's about your speed. No matter you get the right answer, even after 30 minutes. Nobody's gonna look. You wanna get it faster. Here is your question. So this is already solved, so no worries. Okay, I've just given both the questions together in the same slide. The reason is so that you can compare it. What's the difference between this and that? Okay, that's the reason I've given you. I think Mainza got the answer. That was nice. That was good, Mainza. Shall I solve it? Or I'm welcoming Mainza to tell the answer. Yes, Mainza, can you try? Whatever the way you got the answer, doesn't matter. Beloved, or we were late. I see you now, but not early. Mainza, can you try it now? Can you try to tell the answer? How did you get it?
Can you give me, sir?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yes. So I use the options to help me find the answer. Yes.
Okay.
So I said with option A.
Okay.
So using the same formula you gave us for L times W. Oh, L plus W plus L times W over 100.
Okay.
I tried that for A and it did not work, but it worked for B. It worked for B, meaning B was my answer.
It works
Yes,
with this. Okay. That was good. Okay, that was nice. Fine. Anybody else with the answer? You can solve it. Okay. The merchant sold the goods at 10% discount. Okay, no, nothing. Let's come for that. The merchant sold goods at 10% discount. So let's say, so this is the amount. So I will say, let the amount be 100. Okay, or an X amount. The merchant sold the goods at 10% discount. That means he's going to sell it for 90%. Is that true or false? He's having a price, and he's selling it for 90%. Okay, 100 into 90 by 100. Did you get it? I'm making it into 10%. A merchant sold goods at 10% discount. The reason is why I'm multiplying it to 90 is if the cost is $100, then if he's giving 10% discount, the cost is going to be $90. But he earned a profit of 20%. That means by giving it for $90, he's still getting 120. Did you get that? Got it? Are you getting it? Yes. So now the question was, see, if that amount is 100, let's say the amount is 100, he is giving a 10% discount. He says that he's giving 10% discount. That means selling it for 90%, but still he is getting 20% profit. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? He's selling, a merchant sold goods at 10% discount and earned a profit of 20%. Okay, what will be the percentage of profit if no discount was offered? Okay, or I will tell you in an easy way. Let's go on in the reverse method. I think this takes time for you to understand. I'm giving an easy way. 20% profit, which is 10% of discount. Okay, so Shayaka, 90% discount means 100 minus 10. That is the way you get 90. Okay, are you clear with that? Discount means subtraction from 100. Okay, so now let's say that I want a profit of 20%. I want a profit of 20%, but my discount is given. If they're asking, the discount is not given, If no discount is given, then what is a profit percentage? That means a price was fixed with a high percentage. It was fixed with some high percentage. Then they tried to reduce it by 10%, and they see that they get it as 20% profit. Are you clear with it? There was an item which was fixed for a very high price, then they reduced 10% of it, still they get 20%. Are you getting it? An item was fixed a price very high, and then let's say X is over here, an item is fixed with very high price, then they came down for 10%, but still they're getting 20% profit. Okay, so if this is 100, if this is 100, if this is 100, something was a price increased, he reduced 10%. Let's say that the item is increased by something, 10% was reduced. Okay, so that is the place where he has taken it. Mines has taken, let's say 133%, 133.33. What is 10% of 133.33? What is 133.33 is 10%? What is 133.33 is 10%? 133.33 is what is 10%? $13.33, right? So if I subtract 133.33 minus 13.33, I'm going to get 120. That means 20% profit. So the price was fixed as 133%. Then he came down 10%, and it was now 20% profit for him. Are you getting it? This is what he says by option. So how to solve it? An amount of X, I can fix it as either 100. Okay, it was being sold with 10% discount. That means he's selling it for 90% only. Whatever is the price, he says that I'm selling it for 90%, but he's making a profit 120 already. Okay, he's making a profit of 120 already. That means it is X equals to, or that the cost of the item, $100, or that X. Okay, I'm sorry, I just think must have got stopped. Okay, can you get this? So did you get the question? Micah, can you please make me a horse? Micah, can you please make me as a horse? Okay, thank you. Yeah, because I'm just, my Zoom got restarted. Thank you very much, Micah. I'm just making it quick. I think it's getting late for your prayer. Okay, see, a merchant sold it. So two ways to do. One is from the option, taking this as 33.33 percentage and finding 133.33. That's what is called as a profit. So finding 10 percentage of it, if I subtract it, I still get 20 percentage profit. That means 20% profit. Now, how to solve the question? Taking it as $100, that means let it be an X price or $100. Finding what is the profit amount of it. This amount was being sold with 90 percentage loss. That means 10 discount. So it is sold for 90 percentage. So 100 into 90 by 100, that's equals to, he gets still 20 percentage profit. So that means he's still making 120. Okay, when I calculate on the price wise, so that X amount or that $100 is gaining how much? I can say it is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is nothing but in percentage, it's 133.33. So the amount, original price was 133.33. Did you get it? Okay, I hope the concept is now clear. I'll give you some more questions on profit and loss with next class. That's on Saturday. We'll be meeting on Saturday again. We're supposed to start with the ratio partnership. I would ensure we'll try to start it, or we can make it on. No worries. Okay. Clear with that? I'll give you some more profit and loss. Once you're confident, the ratio questions will be more easier. There also the same concepts can be used. Okay, any more doubts? Okay, thank you very much for stopping my screen. And thank you all, thank you very much. And have a great day, and let's catch back on Saturday. Thank you all. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Mainza. Thank you, Vivian. Thank you, Christine. Bye, Vivian. Thank you, Shayaka. Thank you, Lillian. Bye. Thank you, beloved. Have a great day. Thank you, Daniel. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Thank you, Trasher. Thank you very much. Thank you, Lois. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Lasango. Thank you, Lasango.